Fruit of the Loom's ring-spun iconic tee is just one of over 90% of our entire collection of imprint garments made the fruit way in Morocco, which is your assurance that it has been made to not just the highest quality standards, but also sustainably and ethically too. From start to finish, we control and guarantee the consistent quality, colour and sizing of our garments, ensuring that our clothing is made fairly and sustainably. Our comprehensive collection offers decorators an outstanding choice, so they can order the exact garment they need for every occasion and at every price point. We designed our iconic 195 tee in response to market trends and customer demands for a high-quality, great-value ring-spun cotton t-shirt. Offering an excellent print surface, the iconic 195 is our heavyweight premium ring-spun tee designed for all kinds of decoration and made to perform. Naturally, a great t-shirt starts with high-quality cotton yarn, which we carefully select from trusted suppliers. We inspect each batch to ensure it meets our standards. Only the best ring-spun yarns are selected for our iconic range, giving these t-shirts their famous soft feel. Inside our vast knitting room, 220 state-of-the-art machines operate around the clock to produce the soft and highly printable fabric that is the hallmark of our iconic collection. Each piece of fabric is carefully inspected before it moves on to the next stage. Next, it's time to add some amazing Fruit of the Loom colour. Here in Morocco, our world-class dye house features 21 large-capacity dye jet machines. All dyes and chemicals we use in the process are 100% non-toxic, continually verified by Okotex. Each of our current range of 48 colours is precision blended and thoroughly controlled by our colour experts to ensure the consistency and colour fastness you count on. After dyeing and drying, it's time to cut the fabric. Our specialist team uses, literally, cutting-edge technology to create the perfect fits across our size ranges. The fabric we don't need is saved and stored by colour and sent on to our recycling and repurposing partners who use the fabric in other manufacturing processes. All cut t-shirt fabric is carefully inspected and measured before moving on to the next stage. The Fruit of the Loom sewing room is a highly efficient operation where teams of skilled sewers work together to create each finished t-shirt. All sewn garments are then rigorously quality checked and, once passed, are boxed up into cartons to be stored and shipped. Throughout the t-shirt making process, we perform a number of checks, from colour consistency to seam strength, pilling and colour fastness. We examine every detail to ensure that our garments live up to the high standards our customers expect. Once we are satisfied that a t-shirt is perfect, it's packaged efficiently using high recycled content minimal packaging and sent on from our immense warehouse and logistics team to distributors across Europe. With millions of garments manufactured every week, our motivated team is constantly working to ensure we can fulfill orders of any size fast. Thanks to the complete control we have over design, quality, ethical manufacturing and sustainability, you can be sure that the garments you receive are all made the right way, the Fruit way.